getting these out of here. Picking these up is the line poles, which have the holes in both sides, like this here, line on both sides. That's a line pole.
Loving you makes the stars shine brighter. Yeah. One step closer to the header. Yeah. We are what we yes, we rule our own domain. Yeah, yeah. Keep our heads up high, pushing on like a chugging train. Loving you makes the world spin faster.
And there's the delivery, ready for the next step.
Loving you makes the stars shine brighter. Yeah. One step closer to the header. Yeah. We are what we yes, we rule our own domain. Yeah, yeah. Keep our heads up high, pushing on like a chugging train. Loving you makes the world spin faster.
Okay, fence is done. We got it all in. There's the one side. There's the other side. And I'll have to come in with my machine and pick up the cement that's from the old. I left it there. Apparently the guy that put these in before needed 160 pounds of concrete to set these poles. But I'm thinking, I set them in concrete, but just as a hold, you know. And there you go. That project's done. I'm gonna go give him his bucket back, and we're on to the next one.